Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one important enzyme that is alkaline phosphatase. Today we will discuss what is alkaline phosphatase, what are the various isoenzymes of alkaline phosphatase, and what is the clinical significance of alkaline phosphatase along with NEET PG MCQs. To download lecture notes and other interesting stuff related to biochemistry, please visit website biochemistrybasics.com. Alkaline phosphatase. Alkaline phosphatase is an enzyme which plays important role in the growth and development of bones and teeth. It is a hydrolase type of enzyme which is responsible for removing phosphate group from many types of molecules. It is produced by osteoblast of the bone and it is associated with the calcification process. And it is localized in the cell membrane, hence it is an ectoenzyme. Alkaline phosphatase hydrolyase enzyme catalyzes the hydrolytic removal of phosphate group from the monophosphoric esters, which includes glycerophosphates, phenylphosphates, nucleotides and proteins at the alkaline pH, that is 9 and 10. Hence the name of enzyme is alkaline phosphatase. It is activated by magnesium and manganese. Alkaline phosphatase is an enzyme which is present in the canalicular and sinusoidal membrane of the liver and also active in many other tissues, particularly bone, kidney, intestine, and in placenta. And it is useful diagnostic test in bone and liver disorders. The principle for the estimation of ALP is alkaline phosphatase in the serum acts on the substrate para-nitrophenyl phosphate, which is buffered at pH 10 at 37 centigrade, to liberate para-nitrophenol, which gives yellow color complex, and it is measured at 405 nanometer wavelength. That is the principle of quantitative analysis of alkaline phosphatase in the laboratory. Now, isoenzymes of alkaline phosphatase. So it exists in six forms of isoenzyme. The isoenzymes are due to variation in the carbohydrate content, that is sialic acid content, so they can also be called as isoforms. An affinity electrophoresis using polyacrylamide gel is used in the separation and identification of various fractions of ALP isoenzymes to differentiate liver or bone disorders. The six isoenzymes of ALP are, first one is alpha 1 ALP. Alpha 1 ALP is 10% of the total ALP and it moves in alpha 1 position in electrophoresis as the name alpha 1 ALP. It is synthesized by epithelial cells of biliary canaliculi and increased in obstructive jaundice, biliary cirrhosis, and to the some extent in metastatic carcinoma of liver. So the alpha 1 ALP level is increased in obstructive jaundice, biliary cirrhosis, and to some extent in metastatic carcinoma of liver. Second isoenzyme of ALP is alpha 2 heat labile ALP. It is 25% of total ALP and it is a alpha 2 heat labile which is stable at 56 centigrade, but it loses its activity when kept at 65 centigrade for 30 minutes. And it is synthesized by hepatic cells and it is increased in hepatitis. That is the second isoenzyme of ALP. Third isoenzyme of ALP is alpha 2 heat stable ALP and it is only 1% of total ALP. It is also alpha 2 but heat stable isoenzyme. It is not destroyed at 65 centigrade but it is inhibited by phenylalanine. It is of placental origin and it is found in blood in normal pregnancy. It increases around second and third trimester of normal pregnancy and its decrease indicates placental insufficiency and fetal death. That is the third isoenzyme of ALP, that is alpha 2 heat stable ALP. Fourth isoenzyme of ALP is the p-beta ALP and it constitutes 50% of the total ALP and it is a pre-beta ALP and it is most heat labile, loses its activity at 56 centigrade within 10 minutes. And it originates from the bone and its level is increased in rickets and Paget's disease. That is the fourth isoenzyme of ALP and its level is increased in rickets and Paget's disease. Fifth isoenzyme of ALP is the gamma ALP and it is a 10% of the total ALP and it is inhibited by phenylalanine. It is synthesized by intestinal cells and it is increased in ulcerative colitis and after gastrectomy surgery. That is the fifth isoenzyme of ALP. Sixth isoenzyme of ALP is the leukocyte ALP and it constitutes 4% of the total ALP and as the name suggests it originates from the leukocytes and its level is increased in lymphomas and significantly decreased in chronic myeloid leukemia. So that is the sixth and last isoenzyme of ALP. Now some abnormal ALP isoenzymes. The first one is the Regan isoenzyme, which is also known as the carcinoplacental isoenzyme. It is named after the first patient in whom it was detected. It is an abnormal ALP isoenzyme which closely resembles that placental ALP isoenzyme. And it is seen in about 15% cases of carcinoma of lung, liver, and gut. So this Regan isoenzyme is seen in about 15% cases of carcinoma of lung, liver, and gut. And the chronic heavy smoking also increases Regan isoenzyme in the blood. That is the first abnormal ALP isoenzyme, and the second abnormal ALP isoenzyme is Nagau isoenzyme. It is an abnormal ALP isoenzyme which is present in carcinomas and in metastasis. So this is about abnormal ALP isoenzyme. Now normal level of ALP. In adult, normal level of ALP is 40 to 125 international unit per liter. And in the children, the normal level of ALP is 42 to 362 international unit per liter, and in the children ALP level is more because of the increased osteoblastic activity in the children. That is about the normal level of ALP. Now clinical significance of estimation of ALP level. So moderate increase in ALP, that is 2 to 3 times increase, is seen in hepatic disease such as infective hepatitis, alcoholic hepatitis, or hepatocellular carcinoma. Very high level of ALP, that is around 10 to 12 times of upper limit, may be noticed in extrahepatic obstruction, that is obstructive jaundice, which is caused by gallstone or by pressure on the bile duct by carcinoma of head of the pancreas. Intrahepatic cholestasis may be due to the virus, that is infective hepatitis, or by various drugs like chlorpromazine. ALP is produced by the epithelial cells of the biliary canaliculi and the obstruction of bile with consequent irritation of epithelial cell leads to secretion of ALP into the serum. Drastically high level of ALP, that is 10 to 25 times of upper limit, seen in bone disease where osteoblastic activity is enhanced such as Paget's disease, rickets, osteomalacia, osteoblastoma, metastatic carcinoma of bone, and hyperparathyroidism. That is all about significance of estimation of ALP level. Now we will see few multiple choice questions. The first question is serum ALP level is increased in, and the options are hypothyroidism, carcinoma of prostate, bone disease, and myocardial infarction. So the ALP level is increased, as we have seen, it is increased in bone disease. So the correct answer is C. Second question is ALP level is elevated in all the following conditions except, and the options are obstructive jaundice, rickets, infective hepatitis, and myocardial infarction. The ALP level is increased in obstructive jaundice, rickets, and infective hepatitis. ALP level is not increased in myocardial infarction. So the correct answer is. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.